Hello, 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 it's Dolly. Welcome to my channel, Scrapping on the Go. This process video is for Mini Kit Monday with Becky, Daisy, Kathy, Shannon, Traci, and myself, and our two guests, Eileen and Jeanette. Our inspiration piece right here is brought to us by Becky, and these are the items that I pulled from my kit, which was centered around the photo play collection called We Are Family. I selected two 12 by 12 sheets of paper and some leftover scraps in my kit. I'm going to use the checkered board, the black and white checkerboard with the printed flowers as my foundation paper or base paper. I'm going to take 3 of my scraps from this kit, and I'm going to layer them behind the photograph, which is of my daughter-in-law, which is, oh, you can't see her right now. I'll come back to that. I'm going to trim up this scrap here, and it's going to go behind the photograph, not on top of the photograph. All right, to the right on this photograph is my daughter-in-law. In the middle is her baby sister, and then to the far left is her oldest sister. Okay, on the second 12 by 12, one side was a pattern paper and the other side was these 4 by 6 cards that you can trim. And I selected the one that says, "Together is my favorite place to be." I placed a dolly behind the photograph. And now I'm going to work on the cluster to the lower right-hand corner. I took one of the frames out of the die cut pack. I'm going to place that down using my ATG gun. And then I'm going to build a cluster on top of that 3 by 4 card in the lower right-hand corner. It'll consist of 3 banners that were in the die cut pack that you can see to the left there, along with a circle die cut that says sister, and then I'll tuck a flower on top of it. And oh, and then on top of the banner is a strip of that paper that you actually see by the photograph, that striped paper. I bring that element also into my cluster in the lower right hand corner. All right, while I am ahead of myself, I just want to remind everybody that I will have the Mini Kit Monday ladies links along with our 2 guests listed below in the description box. This is our last layout for the month. All of us will do a kill a kit reveal or wrap up, and we will show you what is left over in our kit, a recap of the layouts we completed and any bonus layouts, and we will normally post that anywhere between Tuesday and the last day of the month. And if the last day of the month is on Tuesday, then you'll see that video tomorrow. All right, but just be on the lookout. So if you're not a subscriber, you need to subscribe to our channel. Go ahead and click that bell button so you receive notification every time we post. And give us a thumbs up because that brings traffic to our channels, which I know you want to inspire others to scrapbook their memories, or else you would not be watching our videos. So give those thumbs up because you and I don't know of other people that are out there that maybe are beginners or have lost their mojo, and they need to be inspired to scrapbook those memories so that they can pass down history. All right, back to my layout. All right, you can see to the left I have the 12 by 12 sticker sheet out, and I just pulled out that flower sticker sheet, and I'm going to tuck it under the photograph there. There's that round little circle right there that says sisters that I place over there in the lower right hand corner. And I was mistaken when I was jumping ahead of myself. I thought I finished that whole cluster before I moved up to the cluster that I do by the photograph. But it is now complete there in the lower right hand corner. I'm working on my cluster by the photograph. And so I have right now a tab that says One Happy Family. That blue sticker says Laugh Daily. And then the sticker I'm putting up is of a silhouette of a girl. Then I'm going to take that key sticker and tuck it in, and of course you're not going to know that that is a key. It's there more for aesthetic purposes, and building up a nice little cluster right there. That is a frying pan, and I was determined to use it. I don't know why, but I was, and I ended up tucking it in up there behind that silhouette, the silhouette of a girl sticker. And again, you don't even know that that's a frying pan, right? Now I'm going to bring in the Nuva Mica Mist in the, I think it's called Smoky Silver. I don't have it right in front of me, so you know I'm horrible if I don't have the product in front of me, but I know it is from Nuva, and it is the Mica Mist, and it leaves a silver sheen. It is gorgeous, it is beautiful, and it's one of my top favorite silver mists. Now you're going to see me with a paper towel, and all of a sudden those little gray spots now turn silver. But you don't have to do this. It's just that some of my drops were large, and I wanted to soak up a little bit of the wetness, and as you can tell, it does not bring up the silver. Does that make sense? It doesn't remove the silver in the mist. All right, I have no still shots at the end, so I am bringing my layout closer to the camera so that you can see my layers, paper layers, my sticker layers, and that gorgeous mist. All right, I appreciate you all. Get out your photographs, document those memories in a fun, creative way. Have a fabulous day or evening, and we will see you next time.